Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Satya Nadella was, of course, interviewed at an event and was talking about the future of AI in Windows and Copilot. Of course, that is something that now is being pushed even in Windows 10. And of course, it would seem in the interview and the way that things are actually going that Microsoft internally is not extremely happy at the way things are going with this. And I can probably tell Microsoft that you probably will continue not to be happy with this. It seems that the usage of Copilot is really, really low, and that they're trying to hype everything with this and say, hey, this is such a great thing and a great feature, and now Windows 10 needs it. And, well, nobody wants it, really. And nobody seems to use it also. The most important thing that apparently is happening is that people are finding ways to just make sure it doesn't appear there anymore and show up. So in the interview, Satya Nadella was asked what Copilot is all about and what will be the future, and he decided to go on a kind of a tangent there that he was talking about how Copilot will replace the start button or the start menu at some point, which I will be honest, I don't see happening. So obviously they're pushing this. Obviously, I'm not sure they're realizing at which point this is not necessarily something that people want. Of course, it would seem that Windows 11 24 H2 and a possible Windows 12 would increase the prevalence and the way that this is used. We're going to see what happens in the future, but for now, one thing for sure, there was a hint that Microsoft isn't happy with the way things are going. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.